Hi guys, it's Sarah from Pirate Lotus Boutique. You can find my shop on Etsy under the same name, Pirate Lotus Boutique. Today I am doing the August 2020 Curated Bead Box. The theme is African Nights. I'm actually pretty excited about this. Bead sizes and types may vary due to availability. They also include a finding kit, which they did tell me is nickel and lead free. I emailed them pretty early on. So I believe this is $20 a month. And this is actually probably one of my favorite bead boxes. I just really like it. There's always something really cool in them. The findings that come in are very, very cool. They always match and goes with the theme. We got silver this month. I will show those off later. Let's get them all situated here so that I can show you guys. To start us off with, we have 8mm Busy Bee Crackle Season glass beads, approximately 16-inch strand. Actually, not really sure which one it is. I hate that sometimes. I just don't know. But I think it might be this one. Here. It is. Seems missing. Oh. Yeah, I may have gotten those out already. I needed a particular color for a pair of earrings I'm making. So I may have taken two of them out. I believe these are the Busy Bee ones. They make me think more bee related. I could be wrong. But yeah, I'm actually working on a pair of earrings for my fall collection. And as you can see, I used two of the beads in from it. These two here are not from that set, and the chain's not, and neither is the leaf charm. But yes, the earrings I'm working on. So just move that over here. Apologies for that. Alright, next we have Black and Brown Crackle Season glass bead 16-inch long strand, which is this one, I believe, which is also used in that pair of earrings that I just showed you guys. Again, I'm sorry that I already opened the box. I couldn't wait. I saw the picture and there was some beads I really needed for the earrings. Okay, we are up to the 6mm African Night Crackle Season glass bead 16-inch strand, which I am pretty certain. Actually, you know what? I think those are these, because these are definitely bigger than those. So I think these are the black and brown ones. I'm so sorry, guys. These are very long beads. I love it. They always send a lot of beads. You can use on so many projects. So this is the 6mm ones. I'm very sorry, guys. Still nervous. I'm new to this. Not used to it. Next we have 8mm bronze silver leaf style glass beads, 10.5-inch strand. I always love when they add the silver leaf beads because they're so pretty. I always get excited. I really love these. I believe I have pink, blue, 2 sizes of blue, green, and orange silver leaf ones so far. I love them. I also believe these, even though they said 8mm, I think they're more 6mm. I could be wrong. If you hear me sniffling, I apologize. My allergies are going crazy. The hot weather has my allergies just all over the place. Next we have 8 by 6mm gold faceted rondelle glass beads on a 13-inch strand, which I'm actually excited about. I really like the glass rondelles. You just give your pieces a bit of sparkle, which, as a girl, I like sparkles. I like shiny things sometimes. I think I'm part cat. Next is 6mm black onyx gemstone bead, 7-inch strand, which I am excited about because I love onyx gemstone. Black onyx. It's one of my favorites. I'm not entirely sure that's 7 inches, but yeah, a little bit extra on there. It's alright. I can't complain. I love black. You can't hardly tell against my blue background. Sorry. I actually have an idea for those. I'm planning on making some pagan prayer beads. I'm really thinking those might work on a couple of them. Next is 18 by 6mm copper. Okay, there are 3 of these. There are 3 colors. They're copper, bronze, and silver tube metal spacer beads, and there's 3 each. I actually saw these in a video earlier today, and I thought they were really cool. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but I actually really like them. I like with 3 different colors of them. So that down won't be that shiny. Nope. My overhead light just wants to shine. It says right here. I'm thinking bracelets, but I don't know if I'll use them all in one or not. We'll see. Next is approximately 1.5 to 2 ounce yellow gold brown glass Olympic bead mix. I'm not entirely sure which of that it is. I think it's this one. I hope. If I got these mixed up, I do apologize. I believe it's this one. I'm already losing them. Find that one later. I really like this. It makes me think of a zebra, sort of. But I like it. You can see all the different colors. Ooh, I like these. I don't really have a lot of square ones, so that always makes me excited. I get square ones. Some more faceted ones, which I also very much like. There's some different colored ones, like that. I really like these as well. They're quite simple, but really nice. So, yeah, there's a whole handful. I really like. Is that one black? I hope so. And I'm dropping them. That's just really dark yellow, it looks like, but still very cool. I'll have to separate those later. So many of them, they're rolling away, but that's okay. Alright, next is also approximately 1.5 by 2 ounce gold Glam Designer bead mix, which I am pretty sure is this one. I know I might have actually gotten this confused. I apologize if I mixed these up. They're just very similar in colors, so it's a little confusing. That's kind of random in there. It's like the only one in there. I like it though. Right there. I like these colors. These aren't completely clear, but they're very shiny. I like that. I like the colors. Ooh, all over the place. And last is the Bronze Baby Designer Bead Mix, which again, I may have gotten confused with the lampwork ones because there's one in here that very much looks like a lampwork bead. So if I got them confused, I apologize. I do believe these were the lampwork ones, because look how gorgeous this is. I absolutely love this. I have no idea what I'll do with this one, but I cannot wait to use it. I think it's gorgeous. And I also really like this one. It's quite different. It's got the hole going this way. There's some more of those really cool curved ones. Ooh, I like this. I wish there was more of this one there. I really like that though. Picture. Sorry guys. That's it for everything but the findings, which I will show you now. If I can open it. I love the matching findings because you can never have too many matching findings, I don't think. Plus, I'm still new and I'll have a lot of findings. The box always contains a starter kit of findings, which includes crimp beads, elastic, which I don't really use, beading wire, which I use a lot, memory wire, which I'm going to start using soon, but as earrings, head pins, jump rings, ear wires, and lobster claw clasps. And sorry, I just hit my tripod. Jump rings, which are always nice to have. Ear wires, also nice to have. But I actually have some that are hypoallergenic, because I know a lot of people who are allergic, but again, these are nickel-free and lead-free. Lobster claw clasps, which are always nice. Beading wire, which I will definitely use. I love beading wire. I do a lot of beads with beads. Yes, I use them for a lot of my bracelets. This is the elastic, which again I never use. I don't like elastic bracelets. I think they break too easy. These are the head pins, which is always good. I feel like I'm always running out of head pins. And this is the memory wire, which again, always good to have. I found recently you can make earrings out of these by cutting them a certain way. I knew that, so I'm actually excited to try that. But that is all for the Curated Bead Box. I will link to their site below. I believe it is $20 a month. Free shipping to the US. This is one of my favorites, especially if you're a beginner or you just don't have a lot of beads, this is a great way to stock up on beads. And you, especially if you use glass, I don't see a problem with glass beads. I actually rather like them. And also, I just realized I dropped the crimp beads, which is also something very handy and I don't have enough of. But yeah, so that's this month's box for August 2020. I think this is my 4th or 5th curated bead box. I think I've been getting them since April. Like 4 or 5 months. I really like it. Don't think there's been a month so far that I haven't liked at least most of the beads that they've sent. They did an ocean sea sky one not too long ago that I absolutely loved. It changes every month. You don't know what the theme is going to be, which is something I love, being surprised. Again, I'll show off my earrings that I'm working on for my fall collection. I used both of those up here for it and these. I am actually not sure what the gemstone is. If anyone out there knows, please let me know in a comment below. I really have no idea, but I thought they were really pretty. And it came in a random bag, which did not tell me what they were. But these will be in my shop very soon, hopefully. I will be also doing a hopefully soon video of some things I am making from the bargain bead box for this month, which will also be on my channel, the unboxing. Yeah, trying to think of what else. I feel like there's more things I should be saying. I guess that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, leave a like. I will be doing more of these every month, hopefully. I really like it now that I have a tripod that's not broken. And I hope you guys enjoyed that and have a great day.